So this is a quick video on how you can go about creating your trading account, how you can go about creating your MT4 account, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to follow the link I'm going to be dropping. So once you click on the link, it opens a new browser for you. So because I'm using an iPhone, it takes me to Safari, right? So I have Exness.com. So now this is the first interface you're going to see. What you do is you click on register, right? Once you click on register, this means you're going to be registering a new brokerage account. Just try to fill in your details as you can see here, right? So create an account. So I'm going to put my country. I'm going to be using Cameroon. Now my email address, I'm going to be using BFX AB Forex 037 at gmail.com. Good. Now you have to come out with a password of at least 8 characters. 8 characters, right? Between 8 to 15 characters. Make sure you have at least an uppercase, lowercase, just that combination, right? So I'm just going to put any random password here. Right, so I've just created one, and now for the partner code, that's supposed to be my partner code, but since you're going to be using the link, you don't need to insert the partner code again, right? So just go on continue. Now you are done creating your account. You can see I've received an email from Exness, right? That your personal area login details. Now it brings you to this interface, right? This is just the demo interface, the Exness terminal where you can actually trade. So what you have to do next is simply go to where you have a real account, create real account. Now where you have real account, it brings you back to this interface where you can now take sign in. You see where I'm going to get sign in. Now I can sign in because I've already created an account for myself, right? Using the same email I use. And the same password I just made. And I take login. This will now take me to my Exness dashboard, right? So this is my account I've created. Now, after I create an account like this, you automatically see that Exness has already created a real account for you. You can see real MT5 account, and the balance is 0 USD. And you can see now, if you're a beginner, you want to start with a demo account, where you come to this board here, you can see you have access to all your account, right? All your accounts here, where you can deposit, you can withdraw, and you can see all your accounts here, right? Now what you have to do next is complete your profile, right? Click on complete your profile, where you have to, first thing you have to do is confirm your email, confirm your phone. The next one is to confirm your phone number, and then what? Add more profile information. So I want to confirm my email from Exness, right? So they're going to send me a code which I'll get from my email, and I'm going to put it here. Good. So the code, that's the code. You can see 376486. And there we go. My email has been confirmed, right? I will do for the phone number later. So I can say do later. Right now, you see that you have accounts here. So I want the next process is for you to complete your profile, upload your ID card or your passport to verify the account, so you can have access to the premium opportunities or to the premium features or more features, right? Like withdrawal options, right? So the next thing you want to do is open it. For example, if you want to open a demo account, because you have a real account here, let's say you want to open a demo account, you click on open new account. Then you can choose the type of account you want to open, right? So I want to open a new account, so I'm going to take MT4, or if you want MT5, you click and you take MT4, use MT4, and I want to use MT5. Now you go for a standard account. Once you take standard account, click on continue, right? Now you see you have demo, you have real. I'm on the real tab. If you want a demo, you click on demo, you go on a real tab, right? Now choose a leverage of 1:2000, or you have leverage of 1:unlimited, right? Now currency is US dollars. You can always change your currency to the currency preference that you want. If you want to use Cameroon, standard name is just your nickname you want to put. I can put AB Forex if I want to. And then you create a trading password. The trading password you're going to have here is different from the trading password on your login, right? When you're logging to the brokerage account itself, the trading password you're going to be using here is the password which you will use in logging in on your MT4 or your MT5, right? So I'm just going to put another password. Let's see. Right, so I've just created another password. Then I take create account, and there we go. My new account has been created. You can see the account here, real MT4 standard. I have AB Forex on it. Right now, for your account to start trading, you can now deposit your other options. Now take more. Once you go on more, right, you're going to see your account information here. Right, this is what you need to log in on your MT4 or your MT5, where you have Exness rule 9, you have this, and you have MT5 login this. So what we do now is I go to my MT5, I click on my MT5, and I go to settings. I go to settings here, right? I already have I click on new account, right? And I look for Exness technology, right? Look for Exness technology. I search. You're going to see a lot of them. Look for the Exness technology. You click on Exness technology. Then the server here, make sure this server here matches what we have here, right? The server will have here Exness Real 9. So I click here and I look for Exness Real 9, which is the second one. Then my login here is the login I have here, MT5, and I copy this login and I paste. Now what you have to do next is put the password you created, and there we go. I just log in. You can see the account now, AB Forex, right? This is where you can now start placing your trades, right? There we go. I hope this video helps you on how you can connect your account and how you can create and connect it to your MT4.